Before you prepare for any cybersecurity interview, follow these simple steps which will easily help you land the job. Hello everyone, I am Aroma. I am the cybersecurity operational head of my current organization and I have an overall 8 years of experience in cybersecurity. And in this channel, we help everybody to be aware about basic cybersecurity, how more technical knowledge, improve their career, etc. So, like I said, if you're someone who's preparing for a cybersecurity interview, here are some tips for the better performance. First of all, cybersecurity people do not talk in layman language. The professionals who are already in the field, when they communicate to each other, often use technical keywords or technical jargons during their conversation. And for people who are in this profession, it is very easy to figure out if you are someone who know what you're talking or not. For simple example, if somebody asks me what is threat intelligence, I would answer like it is a proactive approach to cyber defense where we analyze data about the recent threats and we provide information on tactic, techniques, and procedures of the latest attacker groups. Now, the same question can be answered in a different way. I can say like I take information from about attackers, how they attack, which tools they are using, which methods they are using, etc. But when you answer a question with more technical terms, this gives an impression to the interviewer that this person is aware of the key terms. So, when you're learning your fundamentals, make sure you're noting down the keywords and repeat it so that you will use in your daily language. The second major point during an interview is the self-introduction. So, first impression which you're providing to your interviewer can very much decide on how your interview is going to be. If you create a strong, confident, introduction by explaining what you have done, this will give you a strong start. I have a very dedicated video on how to give a confident, structured self-introduction. Make sure to watch that. I'll give it in the I button here. The next point is knowing your fundamentals very clearly. It's okay during a technical interview if you can't answer every questions. Nobody can answer all the questions. But if you have your fundamentals clear, if you know your fundamentals clearly, you can articulate that very clearly to your interviewer. And the cybersecurity fundamentals will help you despite which job role you're applying for. To give a simple example, if somebody is asking on how to analyze a particular incident, I have heard people talking like I check it in VirusTotal, I check the blacklist of the IP, I check the location of the IP, and then they just go stuck. Here, the candidate might be unable to understand what is the difference between the normal situation and an attack situation. Just by checking if the IP is blacklisted or not, you cannot tell it is a malicious incident or not. You should be able to analyze the logs, see how the log flow is happening, the timestamp on it, any data is transferred or not, or how a normal behavior is supposed to happen and what deviation happened which marked it as suspicious. So, if you miss out on your basics, it's very easy for an interviewer to understand you are just talking something you by hearted without knowing the basics. And the final point is, before you give any interview, make sure you're understanding what the company is doing, what is your role in that particular company. Read the JD, understand what is their requirement, how it is matching with you, so that you can prepare yourself on how to present yourself. And as a final point, make sure you are asking your own questions at the end of the interview. This will give the interviewer an impression that you are a serious candidate and you're looking forward to understand what value they are providing in that role. So these are some simple steps for anybody who is preparing for an upcoming interview. I hope this helps. Stay safe, stay secure, follow for more.